this is the fit of the day. So these leggings are from Amazon. These are my new favorite leggings. They are it's that YEREO brand. Yeah, and then sweatshirt is Amazon. I think it's the Hanes one, but it's just like this little gray. But yeah, I've ordered a whole bunch of these leggings. So, well, not a whole bunch, but these are my favorite leggings at the moment. They do have the butt scrunch. I know a lot of people don't like the butt scrunch, but I like the butt scrunch because, I mean, I think it just depends on like how your body is built, but I love the butt scrunch. These do have the butt scrunch. They don't bother me or anything. So yeah, but we're heading to the gym. Can you guess what we're training? We're training legs because, you feel me? And we're gonna sip our Alani on the way to the gym.
Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in Miami, babe. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. The baddest bitch that's in the mirror wants to love somebody, start a fight. We just talk for months about it, what she want to splurge, just spoil a lot of fun. I'm throwing a paper tantrum at the club. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. Shit's president, you got you stimulated. Till you want more than famous. Call me daddy, in front of all your bitches in the lobby. I'll let you come back to the room, smoke is my official desire. Make it presidential, like it's my.
I just need to do like a big clean up in the house. I have a bunch of dishes to do and just like, I just need to get the kitchen together so I can start to cook dinner. It's currently 3:18. Yeah, I need to meal prep breakfast and make dinner. I'm not gonna meal prep dinner, I'm just gonna make dinner. And then lunch, honestly, lately we've just been like going out to eat sometimes. So honestly, as of right now, I don't have any lunch. Sometimes I'll do like a protein shake, but yeah. So I'm like, honestly, I'll be fine. And that's about it. Here's some little updates, I guess I can show you guys. So for the living room, don't mind this little thing, but I found this coffee table at Wayfair. I absolutely love it. It was literally on sale. It was only like one something. So it's like it's not real stone, it's wood, but it has like that stone feel to it. It is still heavy though. That little lamp, I got that from Amazon a while ago. That used to be in the bedroom, but I moved it out here. These little coasters, got these from Home Goods. This is just like a vase, a flower vase, but I've been putting like little ginger candies. And we had a housewarming party and we were eating those then. So need to re-up on those. Oh my gosh, these little stool things I found from Home Goods as well. So cute. I thought it added some really nice detail to the room. And we also needed more seating. We're getting a new couch. This is the old one from like the old apartment. But yeah, we needed more seating. So this one just honestly really great. And then it all, you know, it has the storage in it. So if we need to put like any, I don't know, you know, blankets or just anything extra in there. That little wood piece is new as well from Home Goods as well. This little lamp from IKEA. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's not like new. I still need to figure out something different for this. I think I'm gonna get a new plant for this section because I'm just not really loving this plant. I'm gonna probably move this into our bedroom and yeah, because I have the lamp on there, but I don't know. I was like, I just keep moving these up and down. I don't know, I think I might move the lamp back up here. That's just, you know, a few little updates for the apartment. we've been trying to, you know, just out the kitchen. I'm gonna get to cleaning and yeah, then I'm gonna start cooking. All right, y'all, so for that chicken recipe, I literally use Pinterest. If you guys want it, let me know, I'll link it below. But I use Pinterest for all of my recipes, honestly, because they have so many. Pinterest is just like the best, you know? But now I'm gonna go ahead and meal prep some breakfast sandwiches. These little English muffin ones. Simple, you know. I'm gonna do just regular bacon. It's like lower sodium bacon. I'm doing the English muffins, and then I'm just gonna do egg whites. They use like regular eggs, but I'm gonna do egg whites because I just like the taste of egg whites, and then they're lower in calories as well. And I'm also putting cheese on there, so it's up to you like how you want to do it if you decide to do this. But I already have my oven preheated to 325. I need to just put some egg whites into my pan. How many egg whites do I use? One serving, or one, yeah, is 12 eggs. Ooh, so I guess it depends on how many sandwiches you're making. Let's see, I think I'm gonna do 2, 4, 6. I guess I could just do all of them. Bake this for about 18 to 22 minutes or until the center is set. You don't want to overcook it because you're gonna have to reheat, you know, the sandwiches in the morning. So you just want it to be nice and set.